Hello friends, today we'll start with scheduled tribes, introduction, constitutional and legal rights. Yes, Article 366(25) of the Constitution of India defines ST, that is scheduled tribes, or tribal community or part of or group within such tribes or tribal community as are deemed under Article 342 to be scheduled tribes for the purpose of this Constitution. Yes, scheduled tribal people, they reside in the jungle area, the forest area. The tribal people, earlier they were known as Adivasis. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has referred the term scheduled tribes instead of Adivasis. They were also called as Girijans. They are the tribal people who reside at the forest area or the jungle area. We'll start with the constitutional rights. The constitutional rights, as I told you, the constitutional rights which is there in the Constitution, it is drafted in the Constitution. Now, why it is drafted in the Constitution? For the security of the tribal people. Yes, there are 6 categories for the security of the tribal people. The very first is social safeguard, economic safeguard, educational and cultural safeguard, political safeguard, service safeguard and other safeguards. Social safeguard. What is social safeguard? Social safeguard means security in the society. Security in the society, that is social equality and equal access to public places. Social equality क्या है? Social equality means उनको society में जगह देना, उनको society में include करना. Equal access to public places मतलब वो कहीं भी जा सकते हैं अपनी मर्जी से. जो भी places public fund से maintained है वो सोशल इक्वालिटी है, वो इक्वल एक्सेस है. ये आता है आर्टिकल 15 में. सोशल इक्वालिटी कम्स अंडर आर्टिकल 15(1) एंड इक्वल एक्सेस टू पब्लिक प्लेसेस कम्स अंडर आर्टिकल 15(2). Social equality, that is equality in the society irrespective of any color, caste, creed, religion, whatever, and equal access to public places, that is any person belonging to any religion, any caste, color, whatever can access to public places irrespective of any color, caste, creed, religion and the thing which is maintained by the public fund. For example, bathing ghat, for example, temple, for example, museum or whatever which is maintained by the public fund. Next we come to economic safeguard is what? Economic safeguard, that is economic security. Economic security, in this there is abolition of human trafficking and bonded labor and child labor. Abolition of human trafficking. Yes, it is prohibited. Human trafficking means trading, means business. Business, that is sale of women or sale of human from one place to another place. Maybe for slave trades or for prostitution, which is prohibited, which is abolished. Bonded laborers. Bonded laborers are who? That is the Bandhuwa Mazduri, who work but they do not get proper pay, proper wages. And the next comes child labor. Child labor, that is the child below the age of 14 years working in any of the establishment, which is prohibited, which is abolished, and still things are in practice. So that is again for their security, economic security, it has been drafted in the Constitution. The next we come to educational and cultural safeguard, that is safety. Educational and cultural safety, that is state has to make special provisions for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes people. That is, they have to give reservations in the educational field and cultural field. Reservation in the school, colleges, reservation in the cultural things, traditional things. Next you come to political safeguard. Political safeguard, जहाँ पे politics में भी उनको security देना, उनको reservation देना. Reservation of seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. And 1/3 of the seat reserved for the women belonging to scheduled tribes. Service safeguard. Service safeguard is what? Reserved post for members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. जहाँ पे सर्विस में, जॉब सेक्टर में भी, पब्लिक सेक्टर में रिजर्वेशन पोस्ट मेंबर को मिलना चाहिए जो कि शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट से बिलोंग करते हैं या शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब से बिलोंग करते हैं. वहाँ पे उनको प्रमोशन के लिए भी उनको फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस देना चाहिए. उनके हिसाब से पॉजिटिव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होना चाहिए. Last we come to other safeguard. Other safeguards means the government has set up 2 things, that is